What if I tell you there is a way where you don't need to get a ChatGPT or any tool premium to make high quality video advertisements by just using one image, no prompts, nothing. So that means you don't need to learn any prompts at all. Here is an example. I have used an shoe as an example. Just by adding a shoe and just mentioning that which brand shoe it is and I am using for, it will give me the best Nano Banana Pro prompts. Not just one, not just two, but 3 to 4 different prompts. After that, you can see it also gives me 11 labs. Basically, it's a platform for it is essential that to have a background voice for your product. It gives the that feature as well, and as well as it also give 4 different scenes which matches the image output as well, and somehow you will get the results something like this. So let me share you what it have did. So on flow I have already created these images. Just by using the first picture I created something like this, this and this, right? And from images we usually we have converted it into some video. So let me show you that part as well. But before we go on to the animation part, let's understand some very important point. Before we make anything, it is very important that a tool to know the pure context. And here you can see that like it has made a video of this something like this and like this, and as well as some variations. It was a hallucination part, but here you can see that, right? And something like this it has animated. Meta AI is a very good tool to animate that part, and you have multiple variations. So I made this all of this. So even you can do it as well, but you need a good prompt. But I know that we tend to forget the context and lot of different things. But here is how this ChatGPT tool, which is free for everyone, even you can see that I don't have a like it's free account basically, if you can see here. So it's a free account, and you don't need to, that is the whole intention of this video. You don't need to have the premium tool to get premium results. You just need right information to get your things done, right? So this is the tool which is very important. Now let's understand the workflow, right? So let me show you on whiteboard how people basically make high quality video by using Nano Banana Pro or different video generation tool. So in this workflow you will be able to understand that like what is actually needed fundamentally, because I am going to teach you from scratch to make a high quality branded video advertisement. So which is the most crucial part in creating attractive advertisements, quality advertisements, and the very important part, the product should stay the same. So let me take a new whiteboard for you, and today what I am going to give you a normal perspective about how the workflow should look like, and later on you will be able to create your own. Don't worry about the project, because I will share the project personally with you. So let's understand how the perspective will look like. Okay, so I hope you can see the screen. So this is project feature of ChatGPT. So this project feature, by using the project feature you can automate anything whatever you want, right? See, agents are different, automation is different. Project feature is basically, it is just like an employee who know that what needs to be done when you give a job, right? It has skills. So you provide an instruction file, instructions which is required for any project, any name you can give. So behave in that way, and there are 1 to 5 files which is like you the employee is qualified. That means he has background information. Okay, so I believe that this is very important to understand. Now let's understand the video generation part. So initially people just go and directly prompt. They understand that from prompting they can, from text to video, it creates lots of hallucinations. The word, I know that you might feel that hallucination word is very difficult, but hallucination is just something giving vague information. It happens because of this, right? It needs detailed information. That means the context should be there, limitation should be there, reference should be there, and what output do you need, right? So etc etc. So this is very important. Now let's talk about the workflow. So the workflow is pretty simple. What we want is first to create image, and mention that whenever you create image, you input a reference image as well. From image to video, then take this output as an input, and from image to make a video. Now to add in video, we use the third tool, 11 labs, which is very important to add the sound effect in videos. Script, maybe in your voice, because you get a voice clone feature as well, right? So these are the structural workflow. But to achieve this, you have one product, you have to go create an image. At least for 15-second video you need 4 images, so you need to create 4 prompts. For 4 prompts to 4 videos of 5 seconds, that means 20-second video, and then you will do this. It takes huge lot of time. Now to save time, that is why the ultimate need for this was to create project feature, where you just upload the image of what product is there, and tell the brand name, and from the brand name and where you are going to use it, just 2 things: Nike, Insta, or your own brand name, anything. Just write down these things. It will make 4 Nano Banana Pro prompts for you to make high quality video for your Instagram, matching the ratio and basically I'll say the pixels and everything regarding that. Secondly, it will create 11 lab script, and it will create video animation for all 4 scenes. This is why, to save your time. So that is the ultimate thing. We are not creating AI project, or I'll say agents to maximize your efficiency. It is just to save your time. That's it. So now let's head towards the project feature once again, and it is pretty simple. You just need to comment your email. That's it. Just comment your email, and what I will do, and I promise, because this is already on automation already, so share, and I will add all of your emails over here, and this project will be shared with you. And as I mentioned to you, this is free of cost. And you can see that I have AI for all session planner as well. I have AI ads generator as well, super prompt creator as well. I have content creator command center as well, and I have UGC ad creator as well, and different things which is related to my personal thing, which I usually do. So now you can see that just by having this, if you integrate over here, let's suppose I can show you one more thing. Like, because you will say that, oh Akshay, you have done that already, what if it is somewhat edited or something like that. Let's do that once again for you. So you can see that I have so many photos over here. So let's go on downloads and let me find the Swarovski watch. See, I'm not good at girls basically brand names, but I hope that my intention is there for you. Swarovski. And Instagram, using for Instagram adverb. Here you go. There is no prompt, nothing. I just added a picture in front of you, and now you can see that it has given me the detailed hero shot. Like, you can see the prompt just giving for hero shot, lifestyle shot, macro shot, literally with curvature, lens and everything, context shot, and as well as you can see the size specification as well, video script as well for 11 labs, and as well as the scene as well. And I hope you know that Meta AI can animate anything, right? So you just need to, there is an image, video, right? So from image to video, and just add the image which you have generated from flow, right? So you have to generate the image from flow. So if you want, I can do one for you. Like, let's suppose this is the one which you want to make. If I go on flow and let's make a new project for you, right, from start. So I just copied the prompt from there, new project. I don't need the video thing. I will add the image, upload the image. So I'll go down, this is it, and see, this is the first prompt which we got. Simply I am going to paste this, and it will make couple of visuals for me. So now you can see that there is one thing which I did wrong, you know very well. Aspect ratio, it also tells us about what aspect ratio do you need, right? So this is the most important feature. So I'll mention like, okay, I need 9:16 because that is what required for okay, I will use this, and I'll again ask it to develop few more. So now you can see that these are the landscape ones. It has created this, but we need in the vertical one. Okay, so now you can see both look good, very decent than this. So this is the level of, I'll say, results which you get if you have the right prompts, right? Now let's wait for these to finish, and then I will take it to Meta AI. You can do the same thing on Imagine as well. Like, Imagine is from I'll say Grok, right? So you can download it for free, and you can use the flow feature of making Nano Banana Pro things for free over here. You don't need to pay, and it doesn't gives you logo as well. Most people miss this, but we are using, I believe I'm using for more than a year right now, so that is the difference. Now I will go here, and straight away I'll get the scene, right? So copy, simple, simple, very simple. So I'm creating a video, and I will upload the photo which I tried to download. Okay, let's wait. Okay, it's not downloaded yet. Upscaling your image download will start automatically. Okay, fine. Okay, it has downloaded. Took a lot of time. Usually it doesn't take much time because my OBS is working. Like basically you are able to see my camera at the same time. It has loads of thing over here. So let's wait. Okay, it has been downloaded somewhere over here. Downloads. Fine. So I got the high definition picture, and it's been uploaded over here, I believe. Yes, and simply animate. That's it. Now you can see that you don't need to worry because it is generating that. At the same time, what you can do is simply you can go over here, see the another prompt, just copy the prompt, put that into Flow, and just animate. In the next video I will also tell you how to animate the same thing over here as well. Even it is very easy in Flow, but Flow gives you limitations where Meta AI doesn't have limitations. And somehow Meta AI is also very good because it doesn't have the watermark thing over here as well. So let's see what output we get. I hope you love the detailing and there is no hallucinations, right? Very simple. We have created this just with one or two prompts. Very simple, right? And you can add music, sorry for that. And you can create something like this, right? And for free, exactly. And how much it saves time. Comment down your email as soon as possible to get things like this basically for free, right? So this is what the whole intention of teaching you for AI for all UK basically, because I believe that now information, access to right information was the only problem you had, and now we are fulfilling that part as well. So it is very important. Once again, I request you all to kindly comment and share the video as soon as possible to, and save the video as well so that you can watch later on while practicing. And in the another video I promise, if you give 10 likes to this video, I will teach you how to make these tools which I usually teach in my dedicated AI for all UK sessions, right? So this is my promise for you, 10 likes, and in the next video I promise to teach you how you can make any project for your specific job, right? So this is actually in front of you. I teach AI for all UK. This is the whole and sole reason, because I need output. I need you to be productive. You need to be job creators rather than job seekers, and I am there for you always. Thank you so much everyone for having me, and hope to see you in the next session. Thank you.